So this is how my trading week went here. This is the only setup I actually took for this week. This is just the trade before it played out here. Very clean and sweet. Actually it is EURUSD. Look at it. It is EURUSD. This is just how it played out. It played out very well. It was a 3-hour setup, right? This one that would have held to full take profit, I had to close because we don't want to wait overnight. This is the second setup I was supposed to take, but same thing. It happened like I didn't want to hold overnight, so that's why we didn't take this particular trade as well. Same thing that happened here, same thing that happened here. So this week there was no trade, but there was setup. Do I feel bad? No. Do I feel pressured? No. Nothing. Like there's nothing like that, because I understand myself, I understand my trading plan. You feel me? Because obviously if I had taken this setup, even though it was my high probability setups, I know they will most probably hit the profit, they will most probably work out fine. But what if I had taken it and went ahead to hit my stop loss, or maybe I just lost my account somehow due to daily drawdown or whatever? Yeah, I would have definitely been pained, yeah, because it is just like I broke my trading plan. So that's why I just have to learn to sit on your hands. And also another thing I want you to learn, as you can see, my chart is very simple, but that's not where I'm going. Where I'm going exactly is, you can see that this just to set up for the week. I wasn't trying to chase nothing, just to set up for the week. Can you do this if it is you? Like, just take one setup, and if you don't see a trade that you understand, and if you don't see a setup that you understand, or a setup that matches with your trade plan, you still sit on your hand and won't feel pressured or frustrated regardless. Can you do that? Failure to do these basic things is the reason why you are still losing till today. You always want to make money. Just because the market is open 24/7. You feel like you must trade, you must be because the market is running 247. It doesn't mean you should sleep in the market trying to force setup where there is no setup. At least you have a working strategy, have a good risk management, and basically just have a trading plan that you would follow, right? If the setup comes, you take it. If it is profitable, you keep your profit. If you hit a loss and relax and wait for another setup. Literally analyze professionally, not trying to rush back into the market or not trying to force it up where there is no setup. The point is, look at how simple my chart is. Look at how it is, just 2 trades, and at the end of the day, none of them, I didn't even make a profit on any of them because they were still outside my trading plan. You feel me? And you should also keep in mind that weeks are different from each other. You feel me? Last week might be very profitable, might be highly profitable. Like, you might catch like 5. If you know me very well, you know there are times I don't waste opportunities. I know how to leverage on re-entries when the price pull back to wherever. I know we just something like this, right? I know this is where the price is gonna move. I know this is the level that has the highest probability to control the price back to this particular level, because this was my overall take profit, but this is my realistic take profit, and you all know that I'm a big preacher of the realistic take profit over anticipated take profit. You feel me? I can use my re-entry to target my anticipated take profit, but my initial entry is only for realistic take profit. On one particular setup, I can have like multiple entries, right? So that's why in a particular week, in a single week, at times you will see I can have like 6 trades, 7 trades, or whatever. You feel me? Because I literally understand how the market moves. I literally understand how this thing works. Yeah. So the point is, there are weeks you'll be able to catch more than enough setups, and there are weeks like this that will be even that you only catch few, or nothing at all. Like this now, I only saw these 2 setups, but they were both against my trading plan. They both happened at night. So it was a no for me. So keep these 2 things in mind. Don't let what happened last week, be it profit or be it loss, don't let it affect your present or your current trading week. Weeks are different from weeks. Don't expect same results. Past results doesn't guarantee future wins. So keep that in mind. That's one. And the second one, which is very important, is because the market is open 24/7, doesn't mean you should sleep there, trying to force opportunity when there's opportunity. If you have an edge, if you have a working strategy, you must have known valid key levels to mark out and patiently wait for price to come back to. If it doesn't come back to that key, if price doesn't come back to those key levels, you should know that there is a no for you. You don't have anything to trade. You don't have anything to trade. Not that you're trying to buy to sell to buy or whatever. Of course, I do things like that, but it is based on my experience in the market. It is based on my own professionalism. What you never see me do is trying to chase the market. Okay, I was supposed to buy from here. Imagine try me seeing this place seeing this rejection, or seeing this this price action here, and me trying to buy because I couldn't wait, all in the name of just because I couldn't wait for the price to come to this particular level. If I should have bought from here, I would have been flushed out. All in the name of I don't know, all in the name of I lack patience, I lack discipline, and I couldn't wait for price to come to my initial level. So you should learn these things. Number one, don't let whatever happened in the past affect your current thinking or whatever. Number two, keep it in mind that because the market is running 247 doesn't mean you should sleep there. No, only trade what you know. Only take action when you see one. It is very, very important. And if you are still struggling to be profitable, if strategy is the problem, even if it is trading psychology, scroll down my channel, follow this channel, smash the like button now, follow this page, or subscribe if you are watching from YouTube, and watch videos. I have educational content here, I have psychology videos here. So smash the like button now, subscribe to this channel, and also if you want to trade with me for free, the link to my Telegram community is on my bio or in the description of this video if you are watching from YouTube. Save the video and share to others. You feel me? I'll catch you guys in another one. Peace.